Smart locks can bring a lot of connected convenience to your front door, and we spent years testing the things out to find the best of the bunch. In most cases, the first smart lock we'd recommend is the August Smart Lock, as it has a good track history in our tests and comes with a well-developed mix of features and compatible accessories, including support for the top 3 voice assistants, Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. That said, you'll find plenty of compelling smart lock options if you're in the market for a new one, many of which are well worth considering. At a basic level, the best smart locks will help you manage access to your home. They're great for letting workers, house guests, and pet sitters in without need for a key, and they're a godsend when you get into bed only to realize you forgot to lock up. Beyond that, you'll find a growing number of models with advanced features like touchpad controls, fingerprint readers, and built-in sensors that can tell you if the door is ever left ajar. In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 best smart door lock 2023. Before starting the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos. 5. Level Lock, best smart lock for Apple Homekit. If compatibility with Apple Homekit and the Siri voice controls that come with it is a must-have for your smart lock, the bad news is that you'll find fewer options than you'll see with other platforms. The good news is that you've still got some great locks to choose from, and among them, I'd recommend starting with the Level Lock. Available for $249 or less in your choice of 4 finishes, a Level Lock costs a little less than other HomeKit locks, and it features a clever design that packs all of the electronics into the deadbolt inside your door. That means that you won't have a bulky thumb turn on the inside of your door or a gadgety-looking keyhole on the outside, and it also means that the Level Lock is about as quiet as smart locks get, since the motor that turns the deadbolt sits inside your door. 4. Yale Assure Lock SL Key-Free Touchscreen Deadbolt. I'm not sure that I want to go totally keyless at my front door, but if you're ready to ditch that door key for good, then the Yale Assure SL belongs right at the top of your list. The small, sleek design doesn't have a keyhole at all. Instead, you'll let yourself in using a touchscreen keypad that comes in a variety of finishes that look good on nearly every door. If the batteries ever run out, you can hold a 9V battery against a set of nodes on the bottom of the lock to give it enough juice to let you in. Shop around, and you'll find a variety of Yale Assure models with different kinds of connectivity and different price points. The base model costs $179, but it doesn't feature any smarts at all. You need to purchase and install the Yale Access Upgrade Kit, which includes an August Connect Wi-Fi bridge for well over $100 in order to control the lock from your phone or to pair it with a voice assistant. 3. August Smart Lock and Connect. August's 3rd Gen Smart Lock and Connect bundle comes with a DoorSense open-close sensor and the August Connect plug-in Wi-Fi bridge. The low-profile retrofit design means you won't need to replace your existing deadbolt lock, and installation is easy, offering convenience for renters who might not be able to switch the existing deadbolt out at all. With that August Connect Wi-Fi bridge pairing the lock with your home network, this version of the August lock is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for voice control, and you'll find the same great remote access features in the August mobile app. About the only August feature that you don't get here is compatibility with Apple HomeKit. Sorry, Siri. Available in silver or dark gray for as little as $185. It's the first smart lock I'd recommend if you live in an apartment and don't want to remove your existing lock. 2. Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro with Wi-Fi. If you're renting out your place using a service like Airman, then a smart lock makes a ton of sense to make it easy for guests to get in. My recommendation would be to get a smart lock that supports coded entry. Just give your guests a code that only works for the duration of their stay, and they'll be able to get in and out without needing to use a key or download an app. The coded smart lock I like the best is the Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro. With physical buttons that work regardless of the weather or whether or not the user is wearing gloves, it's about as foolproof as coded locks get. It features one of my favorite smart lock designs with a built-in fingerprint sensor and a sneaky front face that flips down to reveal the keyhole. 1. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Our long-running smart lock champ, the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, includes a retrofit August lock and a DoorSense open-close sensor to upgrade your existing deadbolt or other lock. Wi-Fi comes built in with this version of the locks, so you won't need to pay extra for August plug-in Wi-Fi Connect bridge to enable remote access with a smartphone app or to sync up with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. August supports all 3, which is terrific. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is a capable, easy-to-install smart lock, a reliable performer in our tests, all of which earned it an Editor's Choice Award here on CNET. Available in silver or matte black for $230. It's easily one of the best smart lock options on the market. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.